From a two-wheeler manufacturer that made its entrance to the Indian market back in the days of 2012, we received such bikes that made us realize what it's like to feel the adrenaline flowing through the body. Hello, my name is Mehul and you guys are tuned to MehulVlogs. Today we are here at Site Service KTM Wakdewadi, Pune. The contact details will be right there in the description for you to check it out. And today we have a product from a brand that has always raised our expectations in every aspect. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today I present to you the BS6 390 Duke. In the department of looks, like always, it is much more appealing now. The looks of this bike is more meaner, and with those razor sharp edges, this bike looks much more aggressive even when it's standing still. There's absolutely no doubt that you can feel a glimpse of the Scalpel 790 in this bike. And to be honest, these new color body panels do make a big difference. It's like every year you think, this is it. How can you make a more better looking bike? And the KTMs are like, dear customer, just wait and watch. Now let's just quickly move to the suspension setup, and what we have at the front is the best in class 43mm upside down forks from WP, and at the rear we have the WP monoshock. Now the Duke 390 gets the chunky Metzeler tires. These are the Metzeler Sportec M5 that has the speed rating Edge, which means these can hold good up to the speeds of 210 km per hour with an ease. If we talk about the brakes on the 390, well, the 390 gets a massive 320mm disc at the front and a 230mm disc at the rear, which has a superior bite force, and that too along with the dual channel ABS. I think it's more than enough to bring this machine to a halt. The good thing about the 390 is that the power and torque figures for this bike is not changed, and this 373.2cc engine still pumps out a max power of 43.5 PS at 9000 RPM and a huge 37 Nm of torque at 7000 RPM. The aluminium swing arm on this machine not only looks a lot better, but plays its role in providing a better stability and a greater handling. And when we come here, we see that the handlebars on this machine are properly placed and well positioned, which provides a great riding posture. And you see, that too along with those comfortable seats, the ride quality just gets better. For the rider convenience, the 390 comes with a 4.3-inch color TFT instrument cluster, which you can easily get handy, and it's loaded with a lot of features. Like you can control the RPM, you can switch between the riding modes, and the major highlight is none other than the Supermoto ABS, by which you can disengage the ABS at the rear wheel while still keeping it engaged at the front wheel. So where were we? Oh yes, the Supermoto ABS, right? Now, has the KTM improved the looks of the 390? Yes, but are those all the features that this machine has? No. Which brings us to the main highlight of this bike, and that is the Quick Shifter Plus. Well, if you don't know what a quick shifter is, it allows you to have a completely clutchless upshifts as well as downshifts. But there's a catch. For the quick shifter to work is that the RPM level must be above the 2400 mark. Just imagine, all these lot of features gets equipped in a single machine. Just thinking about it makes you go crazy, right? Which brings us to the final aspect of this machine, and that is the price. Well, the BS6 390 Duke is priced roughly around at 2.53 lakhs ex-showroom, which is just a difference of rupees 4,700, which according to me is justifiable considering the inclusion of Quick Shifter Plus and the transition to BS6. KTM is always known for uplifting the game, and this time also they have not disappointed us at all, because that thing right there, for the price and the amount of features it gets, that's one hell of a bike. Hats off to you, KTM. You guys have done a fabulous job. And about you guys, what are you waiting for? Click that red subscribe button right here, right now, because you're gonna witness a lot more content on its way on this channel. This is Mehul signing off. Ride hard, ride safe.